Hi guys, my name's Steven, this is today's Tech Talk, and welcome to my brand new series called Tech Talk Quickies. So in a Tech Talk Quickie, what I hope to cover is short form information that doesn't require a video longer than 1 to 3 minutes long. Okay, today's subject's about SIM cards. So I've had a lot of questions regarding what is the difference between a single SIM, a dual SIM, and a dual hybrid SIM. So a single SIM is kind of what it says on the tin. You can put one SIM card into a smartphone or tablet, and that will give you usually calls, texts, and data. A dual SIM allows you to use 2 SIM cards. For example, if you have a smartphone which is unlocked, you can use one network, for example EE, and a second network on your second SIM card, for example O2, and you can use this to have 2 separate numbers. For example, if you have a business and you want to use your business phone number as your second number, you can use a dual SIM for that. Or if your phone's unlocked and you want to use it abroad, you can have your number that you would use in your home country, and your second SIM card could be a foreign SIM. For example, if you travel to Europe and you want to use your SIM card in a country over there to avoid any roaming fees. Hybrid dual SIM allows you to use your second SIM card slot as either a SIM card or a micro SD card. As most smartphones these days use nano SIM, as it's the smallest SIM technology that's currently available, you would use that as it's the same size as a micro SD card. Okay, so that's been a Tech Talk Quickie on SIM cards. Thank you very much for watching. Leave your comments below and be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. I've been Steven. Thank you very much.